Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After Elizabeth here, and I'm back again with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, you are most definitely welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also press the notification bell. Every time I post a video, you'll be notified. That's like the best part about this. Be notified so you won't miss a video. That was so creepy. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a little shunting. Scott Barnes will be teaching us some techniques about makeup, a couple twitches here and there, and we are here for it. So we're just gonna follow through with this Tati makeup tutorial lesson, and we're just gonna snatch the face. Hopefully I'm able to do this. I pray to God I am, because makeup can get very complicated. Like for me,
parts, you know, people do parts. I call it parts modeling. It's like, here's your eyebrow, and it's like, isn't it amazing?
He's talking.
What I like to do with this,
so he's starting off
to bring it.
He's starting off with the concealers, but we're gonna
Bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in him. Like I'm gonna use.
He did this thing on the nose and brought it like this.
Just drench me. My skin
makeup is art.
It really does.
I did your makeup once before, and it was like that.
Much.
You don't.
And then he like.
For what? I don't really.
For what?
I don't really need
to
it.
fill everything in. Wow, this is a look.
I like the contouring and everything to do the work underneath the foundation, so you don't see it. Now. This is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is
I don't know where to contour. Right? I got a round face.
I bring the light
Tell
right
me.
all the way up. It looks like they're behind bars. Okay, couple brushes. Let's talk about this for a second. We're gonna talk about Jennifer. Jennifer calls this a cat paw.
Oh.
Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw.
Okay, so he uses the flat little brush. I don't know if I have that particular brush. We're gonna use something that's somewhat like it. So we're gonna use something like that. So we're gonna use this is actually a angled foundation brush. I normally don't use these type of foundation brushes. I don't use foundation brushes at all when it comes to me really beating my face, but he said to do so. So hopefully I look like one of those makeup artists on Instagram.
Remember.
So he used it to pat his face, to pat the face.
I'm like literally giving you all my secrets here.
Do you hear that, guys? All of his secrets. I'm gonna play this back over and over and over, and I'm gonna be like, how do you do this? Well, now I have it in action. Yes.
So what I do is just gently watch when I turn my nose just a little bit. So there, see this? And I just, and you can do this on yourself.
You went inside my eye!
Let it up.
These are the type of makeup my mom be like, what be it? Be inside my bed,
Makes things sharper.
I look like a chocolate covered caramel. Okay, so now he's contouring. This is it? Sir, is this it? I think I'm doing this wrong. It's okay. It's part of the learning. We are in Makeup 101 with Scott Barnes. So for the contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauties. So basically he brought it down this way.
I actually named it.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatch.
So it looks like for the contour.
And that's one of those things early in my YouTube career that so many people
Do you
You're
haters?
not doing this.
Oh, sure do.
What in the world are we doing?
I'm
Woo! I see the contour. Oh, I see it all right. Ah, yes, poor nini boy. Poor nini boy. So he also does her forehead.
minimizing her.
I don't have a forehead, but just for the sake of the video, we're gonna do it.
So you do makeup differently per shoot, per lighting. Like you really
Oh, the first thing I do when I walk in,
look at the lighting.
I walk right to the director and I'm like, well, what are we doing? Where's the light? And
I
then
don't have
depending
a forehead. What
on
are our
what
contours?
lighting we're doing, or what the AD is using for lighting, it will determine what I do for foundation. This is where people really mess up with contouring. Now, the
So for
trick to having a fuller
contouring,
lip,
he said that we tend to make, well, some people tend to make mistakes on contouring, and I'm one of those people. So he basically did it from the bridge of the nose.
please mess up with contour.
I was about to say, I already
Over
contour, but that's
contour,
actually my
and then
skin tone.
drag all this brown.
He did it from right here
And
and
into the
dragged
face.
it
And then they just face turn
from
around.
right here
Which is
and
an
dragged
issue.
it.
Now, the
And
trick
then
to
he
having a
also
fuller lip is not overlining
lined the
that.
lips up.
Okay, I'm decided I'm gonna. I'm gonna use some Chanel on you. Ready?
Go ahead.
Oh,
We're gonna.
And then the rest of the video, he turns her into a skin tone that she's not. We don't need it because we were born tan.
Use some Chanel on you.
Okay,
right?
so now foundation. We don't have Chanel, but sometimes we gotta speak it into existence. So for my Chanel, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and we're gonna put some on our arm, and we're going to use.
this is
Because
so
we were born
relaxing, you
melanin.
guys. I usually sit here and I have to do
We're
all the
born
work,
naturally
and I'm
tan.
just like, this is playtime. Hey,
he
wait,
does
you
all
did
that
her
to her.
makeup for
The Oscars.
well, yes,
Okay.
but for all of her.
So he. Oh Jesus. I want to use a. For this, I'm gonna use a blending brush because I feel like it'll work a lot better. Okay. Oh. Ha ha ha.
Worked with light and dark.
Oh.
You've got this white hand.
Okay.
It goes away. I need to spray tan. Oh my god.
But if you don't have time for spray, that's
I
super
bought
cool.
body bling way back in the day.
Oh wow.
Originally.
Okay.
Hey.
Yes. We were born like
And
this.
this has nothing to do with age. It has to do with your skin tone.
Skin
You
tone.
start getting blue. Like, pull the other one on.
Melanin. Yes. You know, I'm actually surprised. So he goes in with the blush. I don't know when he's gonna contour her nose because I feel like we've been like this for a while. Ooh, eyeshadow palette for our blush, and we're gonna use this pink right here that he also uses. Oh Jesus, please, let's not look like a clown.
Cream works primarily better than powder.
I don't have cream.
It looks like it's coming from inside the skin. And we want you to look like a baby. Baby face. So baby face is in here.
That is the one thing that I've noticed, and
Placement.
I will like try to copy you. Like you do this thing with your blush brush when you do powders, and I was talking about it with your brush specifically.
These.
Yeah, where you almost like take it, you don't pull so much, but you do this thing where you like fluff it almost up.
Flick it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I try to do that. Sometimes I get blush on my nose.
Oh
I'm like,
my God.
maybe.
Face.
We're learning.
Yeah.
We're learning.
Why stop at
We're
the
learning.
body when you can do your
We're
face?
learning.
Like,
So now he's setting the face. To set the face, I'm gonna be using my translucent powder with Air Spawn, and we're gonna set underneath the eyes. So for powder, because he's being expensive, I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC. MAC is somewhat expensive. I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC, and I'm going to do what he's doing.
no glow getter. Private
He
society.
still hasn't contoured the nose yet.
Oh, they actually.
Oh, he's already contoured the nose. Where have I been? I'm sitting front row, and it's like I'm not even in the class. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and contour the nose. I don't know how he contoured the nose because it didn't really show, or he probably did. I just didn't pay attention. So I'm gonna see now. It won't even come off, but it's dry. So for the highlight, we're gonna keep it safe and use the Black Radiance contour kit with their
Like
highlight.
an indie brand.
Yeah.
Highlight
Do you know Glow Getter? Private Society.
Elle.
Oh, they actually had sent me some stuff, and they're like an indie brand with a lot of cool products, actually.
I use it
Ooh.
a lot for highlighters.
Love that.
See?
Ooh, yes.
Ooh, she's gorge. And I'm like one of those people, I just kind of mash everything together.
I'm watching this and I'm like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Very much.
I just had plastic
Razors.
surgery with makeup.
Razors.
Razors.
Oh,
I'm very
Razors.
happy. I need to go
I
places.
just
Razor.
had plastic surgery
Like
with
all over the
makeup.
place. Like,
I'm
I
just gonna drive around and just.
Okay. We're sitting front row C, but it's like we're not there. Putting on the brows.
like that, right? She was like, "Oh my God, I went everywhere with my makeup on. I went shopping. I went."
Yes.
She's like, "I went to Barney." She's like, "Everybody treated me different." Stroke. He was like this new.
Okay, now I'm lost. I am lost,
Okay,
and I am
tell me more.
confused.
Spray makeup?
No, it's like I'll show you in a
I'm
second.
She's
lost
like
and I'm
hesitating. He's like,
confused.
Look, super glow.
But it's sunscreen. Stop that.
Stop that. We were born naturally brown.
Stop that.
And this is also good for your
Stop
skin.
that. We were born naturally brown.
Maintain your sun protection.
Oh, we were born
God, I'm so shiny.
naturally brown.
Right?
Oh,
If you
stop
grab-
that.
Now
The
watch, we
tan
have all
never
this up here.
fades.
We're just putting a little bit of highlighter, bronzers.
Okay, so he puts the
situation.
bronzers
Look at
all
that.
over her face.
Can you come over like every day?
This is Barbie skin.
Barbie skin
See when
great.
Barbie just like woke up?
That's me.
Let's go party.
I party without even
Ask
doing
about
anything
this.
to my face.
Here it comes. All right.
So he bronzed her face. Black Radiance bronzer. And we're gonna apply that all over the face. See.
So that you can work with the curves of this brush. I created this so that you guys could not think about it. I hate when that looks like there's a stripe. So let's toast the edges. Do you remember Made Manhattan?
Okay, so he lined up the lip with a naked nude eyeliner. Whatever the thing is called. The lip liner. So you just have to follow
So remember our little contour.
that part of the lip.
There. See the fullness? Okay, and we're gonna connect the top so that it's not two peaks. It's kind of like a round.
Okay.
I think what is really most
You have
important
such
when you're doing
beautiful
makeup
lips.
too
Oh, thank you.
is just like clothing. You have to look
So
at
for
the
my
proportions.
lips,
Yeah,
he used a
look for my
shimmery
mouth.
lipstick. That's what I'm gonna do.
I am feeling the glow.
What do you do? We're gonna use Neat Freak. Neat Freak by Makeup Shaver.
Okay, these are Victoria
Okay,
Dukes. Those are my
so
friends.
put
You're
the
gonna love the name
lipstick
of this.
on. The lip
Her
gloss.
name is Hottie.
Oh,
Okay.
rhymes with Tati.
Tati the Hottie.
I'm so cheap.
And then
Okay,
he
now
said this is
important.
important.
Tip alert.
So-
you know what I'm doing? Going out to the edge.
Go
Not
out the lip.
I'm taking it and out
Oh.
into the edge.
Oh, this is like makeup
Oh.
choreography. One
So
and
on
two
the
and
corner
up into
you
the edge.
I'm gonna use
flick
something
the
on
wrist.
you today.
Okay.
These are
I don't know how I look like on camera for right now.
Secret sauce or
This is secret.
So he basically used like a brow powdery type of palette. We don't have that. We don't have that. But we will use our close to brown powdery palette. So we're gonna use a little
This is
contour
Sarah Artistry. I use these for brows.
brown.
It's a nice color.
Yeah.
That's kind of shocking actually, because it looks very light.
Right. Well, I don't want this to take over.
We're not gonna
I
mess
just
with
kind of
the
build them
brows.
up slowly. Senna.
But we tried. We gotta stay positive.
Now this is a gold. I think
Stay
this is gold.
positive, huh? So, okay.
We're shimmering our eyebrows.
Shimmering
because of
eyebrows
the
is
look
something
is
we don't
on
have
the
Look is
right
kind
now.
of glistening and gorgeous.
Okay,
So
that's great. Okay, so I got what he did for contour. We're gonna use a colors close to it. So he used a brownish, maroonish color, darkish color. So we're gonna go and we're gonna use this color right here.
Oh.
Turn to the camera. Just turn your. See that?
away.
With your powders, do they all have a slight
No.
sheen to them?
Yeah.
Yes, they
Too
do.
strong.
The
You're just
shine
gonna
is so
grab
subtle in it,
A little bit of.
just so that the
beyond
skin
beige,
doesn't look dead.
Which this
Okay.
is again
Yeah, we
one of
don't
my
want that.
I
powers.
don't like this.
But it
So wait,
has
I'm sorry,
shimmer
which
in
brush
it,
did you
but
use
a
for
slight amount
eyebrows?
to it.
Many unbearable hours later.
That Scott was telling me it will work beautifully.
And we're gonna go into our rich stack and get the Ruby Kiss mascara that we got from the beauty supply store. This mascara is by far the best mascara ever used. So yeah, it's only $3.99.
Comb it in, as opposed to just going I'm going like in and then like down and rolling
Alright.
it, and then I just use the point to kind of lift and separate, like a 24-hour bra. Lift and separate. Okay, you're gonna love.
A darker brown.
So funny, and in, I don't want to say just YouTube, but in digital, you know, the trend is really to get very into the color and to use 10 different shades and to just keep piling it on, which can be fun. But it's a nice refresh to remember the technique and pulling back with maybe less color.
Using 10,000
We tried our best. It took us an hour to 3 hours. We're not sure how long it took, but we had fun with it.
So this is how the look ended up looking like. I don't know how it looks like on camera, but from what I'm looking at, it came out decent. The whole starting off with concealer, he did it old school. I feel like he does his, like, he works his way up. So he started off with concealer and then he did the foundation. But one step I am gonna take with me from watching him do it on Tati will be the lips contour, because I do the lips contour. I don't technically do the lips contour. I use the contour stick as a lip liner, but I like how he did the lips and also applied the lipstick. I like that stroking up. The stroking up he does on the corner. That's actually pretty sweet. Overall, I don't know how this turned out. I'll give it a 5. Because I felt like an actual, really like a beginner. Because some of the stuff he was doing, I was like, sis. I like the technique. The technique wasn't bad. I mean, I personally feel like that when you start from your contour, work your way up, it's risky if you're not a great makeup artist. I feel like I'm like in between. Like I'm like in the middle of beginner and like in the middle of doing okay. I wouldn't personally do that. I like my foundation step first and then move up to my contour. But I do like the lips that he taught me. He taught me the lips trick. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that for sure. Keep that for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoy making it. If you like this type of videos where I try makeup artists, professional makeup artists techniques, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't leave without clicking that like button and also clicking that notification bell button to be notified every time I post a video. With that being said, Scott Barnes, I'm gonna leave you do your job and I'm gonna stick to mine. Okay, but he's legit. I thought I was gonna do bad, but I didn't. I did a-okay. A-okay. We came out okay. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Ooh, I put glue on my lids. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.